Constructions workers are in a league of their own. They do fine work that most ordinary people are not even familiar with. Today we will look at 30 surprisingly resourceful construction workers that are out of this world. 1. Demonstration of a plasterer's trowel. A thick line of plaster is applied to the wall and a double-handed trowel is used to evenly coat a wall. How much pressure you apply and the blade angle determines how much material is left behind. 2. 3D concrete printer. Tubular beads of concrete are layered precisely using a 3D concrete printer. Concrete is printed in 3 dimensions using a computer-driven process that begins with a digital model, constructed layer by layer, by a robot arm from Digital Designs. This makes the process faster and less dangerous. In this case, formwork is not needed, which reduces the amount of construction waste. 3. Tape and brick painting. This is made possible with the use of masking tape and paint, and is used to create an illusion of a real brick wall. The masking tape is used to make any shape or pattern on the wall about to be painted. After painting against the masking tape on the wall, the tape is peeled off, leaving behind the elusive wall. 4. Compass-like circle. Precisely measuring 4 points across a pot-shaped hole on a road surface, and a steady shovel handler creates a compass-like circle using those 4 points as reference. 5. Forklift tractor loading waterline. A huge waterline is let in its hole at the perfect angle, causing a chain reaction installation. 6. Compact tractor loading sandbags. Watch this compact track loader with a large tray, fill and tie close multiple sandbags in seconds. Once the bags are locked, the front-end loader drives into the sand pile, filling the bags. With a single sweeping motion, the bucket is fully rotated, backfilling the top line of bags while dumping excess sand on the pile for future use. 7. Fixing nail holes on walls. To cover nail holes in a new wall, drywall mud is used. It is applied on the wall and then immediately removed. 8. Radius slab hand trowel. Watch this concrete radius slab get troweled and cut to perfection. The wet concrete is made radial with a hand trowel, and a perfect slice is made on the wet concrete with a knife. 9. Strip foundation. Concrete from the mixer machine is directly poured into the trenches of the dugout moat to create the complex strip foundation. 10. Excess drywall mud. A wall's extra drywall mud is skillfully removed to expose a flawless finish. 11. Pool plastering. A skilled team sprays a rough layer of pool plaster before smoothing it off with a trowel. 12. Roofing installment. With the use of a hand tool and hot roofing tar, a section of new roofing is fastened. 13. Pothole filling. Watch as the top layer of textured concrete is applied to seal and fill this pothole. 14. Half-moon concrete landing. A concrete landing in the shape of a half-moon is built using hand tools and wood framework. 15. Brick mortar. With the aid of a piece of wood and expert skill, a precise amount of brick mortar is applied. 16. Textural accents. An expert craftsman applies textured embellishments to a new entrance walkway using several trowels. 17. Mini excavator skim coating. In order to equally skim coat a new patio with concrete, this worker rides the arm of a mini excavator. 18. Honeycomb block design. A batch of fine concrete is mixed without gravel included in the mix. The mixture has to be sticky. The concrete should not be watery, just so the concrete solidifies early. The wet concrete is shoveled into a concrete stencil to achieve a honeycomb block design. 19. Lattice-style brick. Watch as this bricklayer cuts and arranges bricks diagonally to create a brick fence in the lattice style. 20. Faux brick wall. A roller frame and a plastic textured rolling pad template are used to create a faux brick wall. 21. Decorative roof tiles. Decorative roof tiles are created by shoving a mixture of wet and dry concrete into a mold. 22. Ceiling hole covering. A huge ceiling hole is covered with sets of planks and a fitted frame is hand-drilled into the hole. The holes made by the hand drill is covered with mud and quickly removed to cover the holes. The surface is plastered and well coated. 23. Custom mini mold. A custom mini mold templates are pressed into fresh concrete to make a faux stone wall. After the concrete is solid, it can be painted to any color of choice. 24. Team workers. These individuals can quickly create a brick path because of their precise timing and cooperative efforts. The cadence between the sender and the receiver is flawless. 25. Fake brick wall. There is nothing new about what we are seeing. Carefully removing tape lines from freshly painted surfaces reveals a faux brick wall. 26. Straighted hand tool. An Artex pattern is made by dragging a hand tool over wet plaster. 27. Pebble-dashed wall. See how this worker creates a pebble dash wall by throwing pebbles at wet concrete. 28. Truck-made tunnel. To build a tunnel, heavy cement blocks are placed onto a truck with a circular frame. 29. Wall plastering. A loose mortar mixture is carefully hoisted onto a fresh brick wall. 30. Marshalltown rocket roller. This fake brick road is rapidly crafted with a giant stamp roller on an extension pole. So, what do you think of the whole ingenious construction level? Feel free to let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and hit the subscribe button before going. Thanks for watching.